and Nish. Thon Ross Ray.
The race course is ready. I can't wait. This is going to be so much fun.
We're going to be so tapaigh.
But sometimes Mowl and Steady wins the race. Right, Fia? We won't be too slow, though. The amazing fairy race is starting!
And Mark. Ray and aghaidh.
Whoa, they're on a tapaigh. Don't worry. Remember, Mowl and Steady can win the race.
Mashiv Fia agus Cuán.
We're Team tapaigh.
Aghaidh, linn. I don't see Fia and Cuán anywhere.
They must be going on the wall. Come on, let's keep going. Look, an obstacle course. Ítach, Aghaidh, linn. Huh? Wait, Cuán, it's this way. Oh, yeah. We would have missed that arrow if we weren't going Mowl.
Mahu Fia.